In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and export a conversation on Slack. We'll walk through Slack's built-in export tool so you can get a clean copy of your messages when you need them. First, it's important to know that export options depend on your Slack plan. If your workspace is on the free or pro plan, exports include public channels only. On Business Plus or Enterprise plans, workspace admins can export all conversations, including private channels and direct messages. If you don't see the options I mention, you may need an admin to run the export for you. To get started on desktop, open Slack and click your workspace name in the top left. Choose Tools and Settings, then Workspace Settings. In the window that opens, look for Import, Export Data. This is where Slack keeps the Export Your Workspace Data page. Once you're there, switch to the Export tab. You'll see controls to choose your export scope. That's the set of conversations you're including, and, if available on your plan, a date range to narrow things down. Picking a date range can help keep exports smaller and easier to handle. When you're ready, click Start Export. Slack will begin preparing a zip file of your data and send you an email when it's ready to download. For large workspaces, this can take a little while, so don't worry if it's not instant. When the email from Slack arrives, open it and click the link back to your workspace's export page. You'll see a status message, and when it's complete, click Ready for Download. Your browser will download a zip file containing your export. This file doesn't change or delete anything in Slack, it's just a copy for your records. Inside the zip, you'll find your Slack data in JSON format. JSON is a structured text format that's readable by many tools. Public and private channels are saved as JSON files, and direct messages are also JSON. If you open one of these files in a text editor, you'll see each message with its timestamp, sender, and content. You can view it as is or import it into a data tool for filtering and analysis. If you only need to review a conversation, a simple text editor works fine. For deeper analysis, consider loading the JSON into a spreadsheet tool that supports JSON import, or a log viewer, so you can search and sort more easily. And that's it. By checking your plan, starting the export from Workspace Settings, and downloading the zip from Slack's email, you'll have a complete portable copy of your conversations ready to review or archive.